Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the last scene of this chapter, Enemy, which was very long, and I guess that today I will finish this. My dear students, before this we have seen that General was perfectly informed by Dr. Sadao about the existence of the white man in his house, and the general promised from Sadao that he will send his private assassins and they will kill him and they will remove the body from there, and also told general that they know the art of inward bleeding, and they will remove the body from there, and your wife will not come to know about all these fact. Sadao was agreed. Sadao was agreed with this fact. Sadao was agreed with this proposal. Okay, and he waited for 3 nights, but no one has come. No one has come. At last, it was decided by Dr. Sadao that I cannot let this man stay in my house for any longer. So he decided that I will make some arrangement to make this man escape from my house. So he went to the shore and he tied his boat, his personal boat, because that night there was the possibility of storm in the sea. So he tied his boat. He managed food, clothings, water, and everything which was necessary. And now what is going to happen, let us see. And before this, Yumi has come and she was weeping over the babies, and she informed and she informed that the servants are ready to return back after the departure of this foreigner. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Sadao said that I know very well that the servants will return to their work after going off this foreigner, this white man. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature. Okay, before going to his bedroom that night, before going to his bedroom that night, Sadao went into the room of the white man, or that American soldier, and he checked the temperature of that white man very carefully, the state of the wound, the condition of the wound, and his heart and pulse. And he also checked his heart, pulse, everything he checked which was needed, which was necessary. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement, and the pulse was irregular. Irregular means not normal. The pulse was not normal, and perhaps this was due to the excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together. The young man was pressing the lips together, and his eyes burned, and his eyes burned. Okay, his eyes burned means there was pain in his eyes. Eyes were burning. Only the scar of his neck were red, and the scars which were near the neck, these scars become red. It means to say the scars were recovering. I realize you are saving my life again, he told Sadao. Not at all, Sadao said. Okay, this was said by Tom, the prisoner of war, that I am realizing that once again my life is being saved by you. And Dr. Sadao, no, not at all. Oh, बिल्कुल नहीं. It is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. Okay, and Sadao said that it is difficult. It is inconvenient for me. Difficult for me to harbor you in my house, to have you in my house any longer. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight, but he decided to give it to him after all. Okay, and there was a hesitation in the mind of Dr. Sadao in giving the man a flashlight, but at all he decided that I will give. And he had given, and it was a small one, his own, and which he used at night when he was called. And this flashlight was very small flashlight, and it was used by Dr. Sadao whenever he was called at night. If your food runs out before you catch a boat, he said, signal me 2 flashes. My dear students, remember here the some main points are given. Be careful. If your food runs out before you catch a boat, he said, signal me 2 flashes same instant at the sun drops over the horizon. Okay, and Dr. Sadao said that suppose that your food dried out, your food finished before catching a boat. Okay, signal me 2 flashes, but remember you have to signal in the same direction where the sun drops, and you have to give the signals when the sun is dropping. Okay, if you are all right but still there, signal me once. But if you are safe, you are still there and all right, signal me one time, and you will find fresh fish easy to catch. But you must eat them raw. Okay, raw means in Hindi kacha. Okay, and suppose that your food run out, then you have to catch the fish, and you will easily find the fish there, and you must eat them raw, and you have not to burn the fire there because it will be seen. So you have to eat it raw. A fire would be seen. Okay, the young man breathed. He said, okay sir, okay. The young man breathed. He said, okay sir. He was dressed in Japanese clothes. Which Sadao had given him, and at that moment Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Okay, and now the American soldier was in Japanese dress, which was given this dress was given to him by Dr. Sadao. Okay, and at the last moment, on his lean head, a black cloth was wrapped by Dr. Sadao. Okay, now Sadao said, the young American without a word shook Sadao's hand warmly. Okay, the young American shook hand with Dr. Sadao warmly, and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Okay, and both of them came downstairs towards the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to find his way. Okay, Sadao was not properly lighting, but he has given the light once, twice, only to find his way. But that would not be suspected. It would not be suspected. This light would not be suspected because all the people knew very well that there is the house of Dr. Sadao. He waited until from the shore there was one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. Okay, he waited until from the shore. Okay, once again, my dear, I would like to tell Sadao saw his flashlight. Once again, here some mistake I have made. Sadao saw his flashlight to find his way. Yes, Sadao saw his flashlight to find his way. Okay, means to say the flashlight which was given by Sadao to that white man, he has used it 2 or 3 times, once or 2 times only to find the way, but it would not be suspected. And he waited until from the shore there was one more flash, and Sadao was waiting there, and he saw one more flash. Then he closed the partition, and that night he slept, and he slept perfectly at that night. It means to say, my dear students, here Sadao has not, the writer has not explained perfectly the manner of his escaping, the proper manner of his escaping. Here he has only explained that Sadao saw one flashlight. ठीक है ना, he waited, ठीक है ना, and he saw one flashlight. It means the man was safe there, and Sadao closed the door, and that night he slept. Okay, Now the conversation between Dr. Sadao and General. You say the man escaped. The General asked faintly. He had operated upon a week before. Okay, the General was operated 1 week before. The General was operated 1 week before, and he is saying that Sadao, you are saying that the man was escaped. The prisoner was escaped. You are saying faint voice, faintly in a weak voice. Okay, once again you say the man has escaped. It means to say here Dr. Sadao has told to the General that the man has escaped. Then the General is asking in a very low voice that Sadao, you are saying that the man has escaped. He had, and the General was operated 1 week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night, and that operation was taken in an emergency operation because Sadao was called at night. For 12 hours Sadao had not been sure that General would live. Okay, and for 12 hours it was not confirmed whether the General will live or not. The gallbladder was much involved because the gallbladder in Hindi, that is called pittasay, was much involved. Okay, gallbladder was much involved. मतलब the condition of the gallbladder was not good. The condition of the gallbladder was not good. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again, and after it the old man started breathing heavily, breathing deeply, and to demand food, and the old man demanded for food. Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassins. Sadao had not asked about the murderer, about the assassin, so far as he knew that they never come, and as Sadao knew that the murderer had never come. The servant had returned, and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly. Okay, and the servants returned back. Yumi cleaned the room perfectly. And had burned sulfur in it to get out white man's smell out of it, and sulfur was burnt by Yumi in the room so that the smell of the white man should not remain in the house. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross. Okay, nobody said anything, only the gardener was angry. Cross means angry. Only the gardener was angry because he had got behind his chrysanthemum. It means to say the plantation of the chrysanthemum was gone. But after a week Sadao felt that the General was well enough to speak about the prisoner. After 1 week Sadao found that it was a time when he can speak about the prisoner from the General. Yes, Excellency, he escaped. And he told, yes, Excellency, he has escaped. Sadao now said. He coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said. Okay, Sadao knew very well that he has not said everything whatever he wanted to say, but was unwilling to disturb the General further. But Sadao was not willing to disturb the General anymore. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. All of a sudden. That prisoner, he said with energy and collecting energy. The General said, Acha, oh, that prisoner. Did I not promise you that I would kill him for you? Okay, had I not promised you that I will kill that prisoner for you? You did, Excellency, Sadao said. Sadao said, no, Excellency, you had promised. Well. The old man said in a tone of amazement, and the old man said all these things in amazement, in surprise. Why he is saying in surprise? As he has forgotten. As the General has forgotten, because he was a self-centered man. He was thinking about himself only. Okay, but you see, I was suffering a good deal, and the General is saying that you can see that I was suffering too much. The truth is, I thought of nothing but myself. I was thinking about myself but not anyone. In short, I forgot my promise to you. I have forgotten my promise what I have made to you. I wondered, Your Excellency, Your Excellency, I was surprised. I was surprised, Excellency. I was surprised. Where is the line? I was surprised. Yes, it was certainly very careless of me, the general said. The general said that this work was very careless work of me. This work was very careless work of me. But you understand, you understand, it was not lack of patriotism or dereliction of duty. Okay, now we can find that there was some fear, at least fear in the eyes of general. And so he is saying that Dr. Sadav, there is not the lack of patriotism. I am loyal to my country, not dereliction of duty. Dereliction of duty. Dereliction means neglect. This is not a neglection of duty. He looked unnecessarily at his doctor. Okay, and he looked at the doctor with worry. If the matter should come out, you understand that, would not you? Okay, and here I would like to explain that here he want to make Dr. Sadav fear by saying that Dr. Sadav, you know what is going to happen if the matter came out. Certainly, Your Excellency. Sadav said, yes, sir, I knew very well. Yes, Majesty. Yes, Excellency, I knew very well. I know very well. He suddenly comprehended that the general was in the palm of his hand, and now doctor knew very well that general was in his hand. General was in his hand, and that as a consequence he himself was perfectly safe, and as a result doctor was perfectly safe. But as a result doctor was perfectly safe. I can swear to your loyalty, Excellency. I can swear, I can take oath for your loyalty, to your loyalty, Excellency. He said this to old general. Okay, Dr. Sadav said that, yes, if the matter is about your loyalty, I can take oath, I can swear for it. He said to the old general, and to your zeal against the enemy, and I am very well aware about your zeal, your enthusiasm about the enemy. You are a good man, the general murmured. The general said that you are a good man. Obviously, my dear students, here the general is in the palm, in the hand, in the palm of Dr. Sadav, and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. Okay, and here general said that you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. But Sadav, searching the spot of a black in the twilight sea that night. But Sadav was He stood for a moment on the veranda. Dr. Sadav was standing in the veranda for a moment, gazing out to the sea from where the man had come that other night, and he was staring towards the sea from where the man had come one night, and into his mind, although without any reason, there came other face he had known, and without any reason, in the mind of Dr. Sadav, the other faces came before his eyes, whom he knew in America. The professor at whose house he had met Hannah, the house of professor, and where he had met Hannah, a dull man. The professor was a dull man, and his wife had been a very silly, talkative woman, and the wife of professor was very talkative, very valuable woman, very talkative woman, very silly woman, in spite of her wish to be kind. But all of these, in spite of all these, she wanted to be very kind to Dr. Sadav and other students. He remembered his old teacher of autonomy. There came a glimpse of his autonomy teacher who had been so insistent on mercy with the dear insistent means होता है demanding in Hindi, जिद्दी, demanding. Okay, and he said that you have to be very demanding on mercy with the knife. And then he remembered the face of his fat and slatternly landlady slatternly means you can say careless. And he remembered the face of the uh, face of his landlady, who was very careless. He had great difficulty in finding a place to live in America. There was a great difficulty for Dr. Sadao to find a place to live in. The Americans were full of prejudices. Prejudices means one who is having some belief from earlier. In Hindi, पूर्वाग्रहों से ग्रसित. Okay, and he knew that Americans are very prejudices, and it had been bitter to live in it. It had been bitter to live in it. Okay, and it was a bitter experience for doctor to live in America because he was a Japanese. The Americans were full of prejudices, and it had been a bitter to live in it, knowing himself their superior. Knowing himself, and doctor was considering himself that he was superior. No. Americans consider themselves superior. How he had despised the ignorant and dirty old woman. How he despised, disliked, hated that dirty old woman who had at last consented to house him in her miserable home. Okay, and who has at last given permission. Okay, given permission. Here consented means होता है agreed. Where he agreed to give the place to Dr. Sadao to live in her miserable, pitiable house. He had once tried to be grateful to her. Okay, once Dr. Sadao has tried to be thankful to her because she had in his last years nursed him through influenza, because he was nursed by that lady when he was suffered by the influenza. But it was difficult, for she was no less repulsive. So he is saying, doctor is saying that she was no less repulsive. Repulsive means hateful. She was no less repulsive to him in her kindness. Means to say, when she was expressing her kindness, she has not shown any hatred. Now he remembered the youthful, haggard face of his prisoner. Now he is remembering the that youth whose face was very weary, haggard, weary. Face of the prisoner, white and repulsive. Once again, why repulsive? White face, hatred face, strange. He thought, I wonder why I could not kill him. And he is saying that I am surprised that why I have not killed him. Thank you, students. In our next lecture, we will deal about the question answer. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.